I get it. I get it, get it. I get it, get it. I get it, get it. Boy, you know I get it.
On
Karma Playhouse.
What's up,
K-Army?
Today we're back with another video.
We are back with another challenge. Challenge. Today we are playing the noise-o-meter challenge.
So guys, we downloaded the app in the App Store on Apple, and here is the game. Let's get into the video. So what we're gonna do is just press play, choose multiplayer because it's Kirsten not playing today. 2 people. We have forks. We have cereal. We have macaroni. We have bowls. And we have bags. So next what we will go do is gather all the materials from the house, around the house, to play this game. And after doing that, we just would press next. So the challenge is to stack 3 forks, and you want to hold the phone at an equal distance. I would say we're going to just put it on the table right here. And when she's ready, we're going to press ready.
Yay! I got a point.
Play 2. Flip over a bowl
using only one hand. So my challenge is to pour cereal into a bowl. The challenge completed? Yes.
So for round 2, my challenge is to remove 3 forks from a bowl.
Was the challenge completed? You win. 10 to 11. It's getting close.
Inflate a bag.
Lord Jesus. Ah!
$16-10 right now.
Pour macaroni into a bowl. Was the round lost fairly?
Yes.
So guys, I won Noise and Meter. That was pretty fun. I will play that
was.
again. So guys, comment down below if you want us to do a rematch. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please like,
comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so you get a
ping every time we post.
We love you guys, and we'll see you next time on Karma Playhouse. DC.
Hi, I'm Kirsten.
And I'm Miesha Michelle, and you've been watching
Karma Playhouse. If you like challenges
and DIYs, remember to watch more of our videos
and smash the subscribe button below.
DC.